Hello, I'm Marilise and I will show you how to make Christmas tree with toilet paper rolls. Take one paper roll and open it. Lay it flat and with the help of a ruler draw a quarter of circle. Of course, you can also use a compass if you have one. Cut out the quarter of circle following the line. Roll the shape on itself to give it a cone shape. Add some glue to fix both ends together. Make a second identical cone shape. Trim the tip of one cone. Grab some yarn. I choose a green velvet yarn to make this craft. Apply white glue on the cone and wrap the yarn around. Cut the yarn and add a little more glue to fix it nicely at the bottom of the cone. Take the second cone and wrap it with the same yarn. To make the trunk of the tree, you will use a skewer. Take the cone with the hole on the tip and pass the skewer through it. Push the cone a few centimeters down and add some glue to fix it with the skewer. Add a dot of glue on the tip of the skewer and glue the second cone on top. Trim the skewer. You can use scissors or pliers. To make the base of the Christmas tree, you will need a piece of cardboard. Use a round item to draw a circle shape and cut it out. You will need 3 cardboard circles to make the base. Glue them on top of each other's. Punch a hole in the center of the cardboard base. Add some glue and push down the Christmas tree in the cardboard. To make the base nicer, you can wrap some rope around it, but you can also paint it or add some glitters as you like. And to nicely finish the Christmas tree, you can glue a star on top of it. This is how the decorative Christmas tree looks like. You can also make taller one using 3 cones. Have fun also playing with different yarn colors. Enjoy making decorative Christmas trees. Don't forget to like and follow for more easy craft ideas.